How to wash hand without running water. If we don't have a tap or running water, follow these important steps and make your hand germs free. Neat and clean water, jug and soap. Remember, I'm touching handle of the jug. Wet your hand properly. Apply soft enough in your hand. Apply over all your hand. Take a 20 to 30 seconds. Wash your hand. Rub your thumb and fingers. And also check the inner of the nail. Now take the same jug now with this clean hand catch here and wash another hand and clean the handle too where we touched before washing our hand. Now this is okay. My hands are germs free. Jug also not infected and the pot of water also not infected. Stay safe. Take care.